HILDREN, Nature, and the Calming of the Modern Mind. Why the human brain still needs trees more than tablets. Introduction. A silent question. We are raising children indoors, educating them through screens, stimulating them constantly, and then asking, why can't they focus? Why are they anxious? Why ADHD? Why emotional breakdowns so early? But the child is not broken. The environment is incomplete. The human brain was not built for this. For over 99% of human evolution, children grew up with sunlight, soil, trees, water, animals, silence, movement. Nature was not a luxury. It was the default regulator of the nervous system. We removed it and now label the child. ADHD, a brain without anchoring. ADHD is often not a lack of intelligence. It is a lack of grounding. The ADHD brain is overstimulated, underregulated, always scanning, rarely settling. Nature does what medication tries to do. It slows the nervous system without suppressing the child. What nature does to the child's brain. 1. Calms the amygdala, fear center. Natural environments. Reduce threat perception. Lower cortisol. Decrease anxiety. The brain exits survival mode. 2. Strengthens the prefrontal cortex. Nature improves focus, impulse control, emotional regulation. This is why children can concentrate longer after outdoor time. 3. Restores attention. Attention restoration theory. Screens demand attention. Nature invites attention. Soft fascination, leaves, clouds, water, lets the brain recover. This is mental rest, not distraction. Why nature feels like meditation to children. Children don't need to be taught mindfulness. Nature naturally brings slower breathing, rhythmic movement, sensory balance, present moment awareness. Parents often say, my child becomes a different person outdoors. That different person is the regulated self. Movement, risk, and confidence. Nature allows climbing, jumping, balancing, falling safely, problem solving. This builds body confidence, risk assessment, emotional resilience, self-trust. Overprotected children often grow into anxious adults. Microbiome, immunity, and mental health. Nature exposure. Diversifies gut microbiome. Reduces chronic inflammation. Strengthens immune tolerance. Why this matters. Inflammation affects the brain. A healthy immune system equals a more stable emotional brain. Nature as preventive mental health care. Children with regular nature exposure show lower risk of ADHD severity, anxiety disorders, depression, aggression, screen addiction, substance abuse. Why? Because nature provides regulation, meaning, belonging, reality-based joy. Addiction often replaces missing real-world connection. A hard but necessary truth. We are treating children for attention problems, anxiety, emotional dysregulation, without treating the absence of nature. This is like prescribing glasses while keeping the lights off. What children really need, not more pressure. They need daily outdoor time, unstructured play, dirt on hands, sun on skin, silence in the brain, freedom to wander. Nature is not extracurricular. Nature is neurological nutrition. Conclusion. A line that goes viral. Before asking children to sit still, we must let them belong to the earth. ADHD is not only a diagnosis, it is a signal. A signal that the developing brain is asking, where is the world I evolved for? Closing. If we want calmer children, we must build calmer environments. If we want focused minds, we must offer living landscapes. If we want mentally healthy adults, we must give children back their birthright. Time with trees, soil, sky, and silence. Sometimes, the most powerful therapy is not found in a clinic. It is found outside. Thank you. Holistic Wellness Foundation. Imphal. Healing Beyond Boundaries.